This is a guide to updating your HiHello digital business card. If you are a member of a business or enterprise subscription, you may need to contact your account administrators about updating your card. To edit your card, start by going to the Cards page and selecting the card you want to change. Then click Edit. You'll see tabs where you can update various elements on your card. First, the Display tab is where you can change how your card looks. Some of the elements on this tab may only be available for premium subscribers. If you'd like to find out more about using custom colors, profile videos, fonts, and badges, you can go to our website and read more about our HiHello Professional and HiHello Business subscriptions. On any field where you would like to add an image, click the plus button, upload the image you would like to use, and then add it to your card. On the Information tab, you can change your personal and professional information, including your name, job title, company, and more. On the Fields tab, you can add many more fields, including your phone number, website, email, and social media links. You can either search for a field or scroll down to see all of the options. If you'd like to see how your card looks, you can tap Preview at the top of your screen at any time. If you'd like to make more changes, tap Back to Edit. When you are finished updating your card, tap Save in the upper right corner to apply all of the new changes to your card.